What's good, guys? It's your main man James, and in this video we are going to be doing ClickBank, and I want to show you a really innovative method that you can use in order to promote some really good offers. All right, so here I am in ClickBank, and the first thing you have to ask yourself is, what kind of offers do you want to promote? Now, maybe you are interested in politics, or maybe you're interested in software and services, or maybe you want to do, new age or spirituality or alternative beliefs or anything like that. But the fact of the matter is that there are some niches that are very profitable. They're called mass market niches, okay? And so what is a mass market niche? Mass market niche is about finance, okay? That's the first niche. And that has to do with finance. So that's business investing, e-business e-marketing, a couple of other things, maybe employment and jobs as well in there. The second mass market niche is health and fitness, okay? That's also a huge mass market niche that's also very useful. And that has to do with losing weight, gaining muscle, bodybuilding, fitness, running, anything having to do with, just staying healthy, right? Not having a heart attack, not not having some chronic diseases, chronic pain, just keeping your body in shape, right? Doing what your body, training your body, and helping do things for your body that it's meant to do, right? Instead of sitting at your desk 24 hours a day like a lot of people do, including myself. But I'm trying to fix that right now. Next is self-help. Okay, so self-help is different than fitness because that's more psychological. Fitness is physical, right? It's mostly physical. Self-help, on the other hand, is psychological. It's about me feeling confident. It's about maybe going on dates, dating, relationships, marriage, long-term relationships. Also fixing myself. So, public speaking, motivation, all of that is self-help. All right. So these are the three main areas that you want to be thinking about. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about fitness, okay? Because, well, fitness is, you can pick any of these areas. My two favorite ones when it comes to ClickBank, actually, I don't really do a lot of finance and make money online on ClickBank. I like fitness and I like self-help. These are the two main ones. Maybe you like make money online. That's cool. I'm not like a huge fan. I like fitness and self-help. So if we go into health and fitness, there's a lot of really good offers. So if we click on that, and what you guys want to do is you want to hit this and you want to do gravity high to low, okay? And you're going to see some really good offers. Now, what I'm looking for, guys, is I just want to understand the offer. I want to understand it. I want to look at this offer and I want to say to myself, okay, do I understand what this offer does? If yes, I want to go, look further and study it a little bit more. If I do not understand, I'm just going to skip over it. Because if I don't understand it, there's probably a good chance a lot of other people are not going to understand it. So I have Java Burn, I have the smoothie diet, I have Dentitox, dental drops offer. I have Okinawa flat belly tonic, custom keto diet, Altai balance, killer blood sugar and diabetes offer, BioFit. Okay, so if you look at these offers, let me ask you, which one of these offers is self-explanatory? Which one of these offers you look at it and you say to yourself, okay, I understand what this offer does. So Java Burn or Smoothie Diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program. So out of all of these offers that I talked about, the one and only offer that kind of makes sense to me immediately is the Smoothie Diet, right? Just self-explanatory. The Smoothie Diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program. You have 2 pages here you want to pay attention to. Well, first of all, you have a gravity, which is very high. You have initial dollar per conversion. You have it here. You have some stats. And so you have a landing page and you have the affiliate page. What you guys want to do is you want to take a look at all of these 2 pages. These 2 main pages need to make sense. So if I open these 2 pages, right? I open it here. I open the second page here and I look at it. This is the affiliate page. I want to make sure it's legit. So if I click on this, I want to make sure this page has a lot of things, a lot of interesting things. It's not the longest affiliate page I've ever seen, but it's also not a bad affiliate page. It's a decent affiliate page. Whereas this is the main landing page. I want this page to be longer than the affiliate page, obviously. And I want it to be high quality. I don't want it to look like a page somebody built over their lunch break. I want it to be a page that somebody built, paying attention, right? And this looks like a good page. It's not like super long, but it's also not super short. It's just $37. There's some kind of a promo, a discount. You can click on it. It's $37 to your customer, which is good because we're not asking them to pay $200 or $300, right? So it's a reasonable price. And they got a video. You can watch this video. They got some testimonials here, right? There's 3 testimonials. We can scroll down. Sometimes they have more testimonials. And it looks like they have a video testimonial here. Okay? And so then they have, a couple of other graphics. Then they have the call to action button. So this looks like a good page, something I want to promote, right? They have a big gravity. They have a juicy gravity, and they have a good landing pages, right? Both of these pages are very, very nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote it. Now, what a lot of people do is they make the mistake of going here, getting their link, and just, spamming the link all over the place. You don't want to do that, okay? You do not want to do that, okay? You want to essentially go out and do something else. And the other thing I like about the software is if you take a look at this one, there's a pre-sell page, right? Pre-sell 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have direct links. So you can pre-sell it, right? So take a look at this one. We can open this up, right? We can go in here. We can copy this, and we can open this up. And you can link to this page. If they click anywhere on this page, it's going to go to ClickBank. So it's kind of your little mini landing page, kind of a little site. So which makes it a lot easier. So what we're going to do, guys, we're gonna go a step further, okay? We're gonna Google for a weight loss quiz. And they have a lot of these weight loss quizzes here. Having trouble losing weight, get your free weight loss quiz, etc., etc. Lots of interesting things. You have some previews here of videos. There's a weight loss quizzes here. And what we're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna open one of these quizzes here, right? We're gonna click on this. You're gonna take a look at this quiz. You can use the questions here. This is Women's Health Network. And remember, guys, we are marketing this to women. Weight loss for women, right? There's the page here. Weight loss for women. This is the pre-sale page. And so you can use this little quiz here. And then what you guys going to do is you're going to go to a tool called riddle.com. You're going to sign up for your free account. Okay? You're going to be on this page. Riddle.com. That's riddle.com. You're going to click on Make Your First Quiz. You're going to go to Quiz. And then you're going to pick the second option. It says here, we're going to click on it. It says here, Superfoods. Can you tell fact from fiction? These days, superfoods are on everyone's lips. So, guys, you got to understand, we're not pushing weight loss. We are talking about foods. We're talking about diet, which I think is a good approach because it's kind of a little indirect. It's not directly about losing weight or gaining muscle. It's about foods, right? So we're going to say start, and you have this quiz. This is kind of what the quiz looks like. So we're going to click on add this to your account, and now we have this quiz here, right? These are all the questions. There are 7 questions, and it has superfoods, right? And it has nothing. It's very different than the offer we're promoting, but what ties them together is the fact that they're both about weight loss, right? What exactly are superfoods? Which tiny superfood has power to, etc., etc. So you can modify all this. You can change things around, guys. It's all modifiable, right? You can do anything you want. You can click on this, and you have questions. You can specify correct question, right? So you can say, this is the correct question. This is the correct questions. You can set your correct. And then here, you can say, well, if you got from 0 to 43%, you're going to see this. If you got from 44 to 80, you're going to see this. If you got 81 to 100, you're going to see this. Now, what I recommend is just having one option. So we can just delete all this. We're going to delete this option, right? We're just going to have one option, right? So we're going to say, just have one option here, 0 to 100. We don't really need this here. And so now they're going to go in here. So it says, not bad, you scored. So you can modify it. You're going to say, excellent. You know what you're talking about. You've done your, looks like you've done your research. Something like this, right? You can just do something like this. You can also modify, a GIF here. You can go to Giphy, get a free GIF. if you want. And then you can just redirect. Here's where you're going to have the link. So you're going to go back here. You're going to get your affiliate link, right? You're going to copy this. You can just double click here, copy it, modify. You're going to have your ClickBank ID. This is optional. TID is optional. It's a tag ID. It's optional. You can just paste it. So this is going to be your ClickBank ID. So let's say your ClickBank ID is 2020, something like that, ClickBank 2020 or whatever. And then you can have your TID. You can have it, Riddle 1 or something like Riddle Quiz 1. So they know. So you know exactly where the traffic is coming from. And that way, in your reports in ClickBank, you'll be able to see that you're getting sales from this quiz here. That's very, very important. And that's kind of what we have. And then you can say, like, try this. How about a great smoothie diet? Lose weight in just 21 days. Something like this. And then you can just run this quiz, right? You can just preview it. And then what's going to happen is they're going to have that call to action at the end, right? They're going to see this call to action at the end when it's all done. When it's all said and done, they are going to see this link and they can click on it. They can see what's going on. So I can just go in here. I can publish it, right? I can just publish it. And now I have the quiz. So I can just open it right here. And I don't even need a landing page. So I can do start. I can do this. Choose. Next. It has all these things. It says wrong. Whatever. It doesn't matter. I can do next. True. Okay, this looks like it's wrong. Which part? White? Wrong. Okay. Next. Which fish contains the most beneficial? Let's say salmon. Okay, finally I got something right. Maybe I know a thing or two. Which is the best plant-based, let's say soybeans. Okay, I got this one right too. And which nuts? I'm just going to say all of the above. I think that's the correct one. Okay, so then I got some right. I got some wrong. And it says, look at this one. I even have a lead page. Get your free 1-1 super diet plan. I can get it. We're gonna collect leads. We're gonna say skip this and continue. And it says excellent. Looks like you've done your research. How about a great smoothie diet? So I can click on this, and it redirects me to the pre-sell page, where every link on this page is gonna link to the offer with my ClickBank ID, right? So as you can see, this link right here, as you can see, it says Riddle Quiz 1. I can go in here, Riddle Quiz 1, Riddle Quiz 1. That's the beauty of it, guys, is that not only do you have a quiz, you also have a pre-sale page. Not only do you have a pre-sale page, you also have a quiz that you can do. And that way you don't need to create your own landing page. You don't need to create a site, nothing like that. Because this is one of the few offers that utilizes or leverages pre-sale pages, because most offers just redirect to the ClickBank link, which is not as effective. All right, guys. And then you can simply go out to Facebook groups, Twitter, and you can talk about superfoods. You don't have to talk about weight loss. You can say, hey, guys, what do you think about, do you guys know what is a superfood? You can go to weight loss forums. Just Google for weight loss forums, superfood forums, stuff like that. And that way you can promote this offer on the back end after they finish taking the quiz. And also you're going to be collecting emails, right? So here's the collect emails here, right? You can modify all that, and then you're going to have it in the report. You can customize it. You can customize colors. You can go to publish. You can analyze. Look at this, views 1 start, completion. Took me 56 seconds, no shares, no leads, because I skipped that part. But, if people are interested in getting a free gift, they can submit their email and they can get their free gift. All right, guys? So this is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. Super flexible, super amazing method. Thanks in part to the fact that we have pre-sale pages, right? Take a look at this one. Pre-sale pages. Amazing, amazing way to do affiliate marketing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys watching it until the end. Smash a like button and leave a comment below to let me know that you watched this video until the end, and I'm gonna like your comment as a show of appreciation.